Hey, hi, hello. This is Sarana from aforanalytics, and in this video, we're gonna look about the realistic differentiations between the top two tools in the market in analytics industry now, especially in BI spaces, which are Tableau and Microsoft Power BI. So, in this playlist, we're gonna see the realistic differentiations of these two tools in 5 parameters. First one, data connection. Second one, data preparation. Third one, data modeling. Fourth is deployment. And finally, we're going to see about the pricing, licenses. Stay tuned. If you're watching this video for the first time, please don't forget to click the subscription button along with the bell icon. So these videos are not going to just about which tool is a better one, which is not a good one, which is the faster, which is a cheaper, or which is not cheaper. So we're gonna talk about the realistic differences between these tools in the real-time scenarios. So something like if you create a parameter in Tableau, so how you do the same thing in Power BI. So if you implement a specific feature in Tableau, how you do that in Power BI, and how you do these performance tunings, what are the parameters you're gonna look at it in Tableau and Power BI in the realistic scenarios. So those are the things you will be learning from these videos. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. Let's start with data connection, which is the first one. Tableau and Microsoft Power BI offers more than 70 plus data connectors natively in the tool itself. And so when it comes to a Tableau has around 70 plus connectors, and it has data connectors for one of the rarest tools, which is not much popular, something like Alibaba Analytics DB, Alibaba Data Lake Analytics, and also it has connectors for SDR And so when you go back to the data source, and you can see the list of data connectors which are available in Tableau. So this data source connection pane is divided into 3 levels. First one is connecting a data in Tableau server, where you can connect with your data source which is already published in Tableau server, or you can connect with any other file, something like Excel, spatial files, statistical files, JSON, and more. And third one, so it is for organizations, and so this is very much popular. It's not just providing a data connectors for Microsoft SQL Server, traditional RDBMSs, MySQL, Oracle, but it also providing data connectors for popular tools. When you see the same thing in Power BI, so Power BI bisected their data connection pane into 5 levels. Since Power BI is a Microsoft product, so they connect more, they go well with Microsoft ecosystem products. So like Tableau, we can connect with flat files, Excel, text, JSON, and more, and also databases, MySQL, SQL servers, Oracle, IBM, MySQL databases, Postgres, and list more. And it can also connect with Power Platforms, something like if you have a data switch already published in Power BI service, we can connect that data set already in the Power BI service with your Power BI desktop. And also we can connect with the data set from Power BI data flow. Also we can connect from common data services, which are very much popular nowadays in Azure. And also when we talk about Azure is a separate data connector category for Power BI, because it has a list of things. So you can connect with SQL databases, blob storage, history insight, HDFS, CosmoDB, and more. And it has another one called online services, so which is not just for Microsoft products, maybe Dynamic 365 or a DevOps, but it also connect with open source data set, uh, database service provider, something like data.world, and also it can connect with the GitHub, so which is one of popular things. You can connect with the GitHub and see what are the list of things which is already done in their workspaces. And so next one is others, and you can connect with R, Python with Power BI. You have a solver, you can connect MicroStrategy with Power BI, you can connect TIBCO Spotfire with Power BI objects. And so it provides the great capability to third-party things. uh, so these are the things are missing in Tableau side, where Power BI is covering very well and attracting a third-party things, bringing the third-party companies to their ecosystem to connect with Tableau, getting a data and analysis in Tableau. And these are very much important things. If you have any questions, please don't forget to mention in the comment box. And if you want to see any specific differentiations between these two tools, and also please mention in the comment box. Thank you for watching, and the next video is differentiation between Tableau and Power BI and the data preparation part, and you can see the video in our YouTube channel playlist. See you, bye.